Hello students, today we are starting with the integrals of type 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. Today we are starting with the integrals of type 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Let's start with question number 1. Integral of x upon x4 plus x square plus 1 dx. Integral of x upon x4 plus x square plus 1 dx. Now the term in the numerator is x. The derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube. I can write it as x square square plus x square plus 1. Now put x square as t. Differentiate derivative of x square is 2x dx dt. यहाँ से x dx की वैल्यू निकालेंगे dt upon 2. 1 upon 2 dt and in the denominator h square is t, so t square plus t plus 1. Now we have a quadratic in a denominator. What we will do? By method of completing the square, we will complete the square of this half coefficient of x. Here t is 1 whole square. That is, we will add and subtract 1 by 4 in the denominator to complete the square. dt upon t square plus t plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Half dt t plus 1 by 2 whole square. LCM 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4. We can write 3 by 4 as square root of 3 upon 2 whole square 1 by 2 dt upon t plus 1 by 2 square plus square root of 3 upon 2 square. Now we will apply the formula. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. X here is t plus half upon square root of 3 upon 2 plus c. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 1 upon square root of 3 tan inverse 2t plus 1 upon square root of 3 upon 2. Put the value of t. T is x square. 2x square plus 1 upon square root of 3 plus c. First take x square as t. After that, by completing the square method, we complete the square of this t square plus t plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. We add the term 1 by 4 and subtract the same term in the denominator. t plus 1 by 2 whole square, square complete किया. यहाँ पे 3 by 4 square root of 3 by 2 whole square. Now 1 upon integral of x square plus a square is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Put the value of t. 1 upon square root of 3 tan inverse 2x square plus 1 upon square root of 3 plus c. Next one is integral of ex upon e2x plus 6 into e power x plus 5 dx. 2x as ex square. E power x square. 2 into x is 2x plus 6ex plus 5. Now put ex as t. Derivative of e power x is e power x dx dt. Ex dx is dt upon t square plus 60 plus 5. Again in the denominator, by completing the square method, we will complete the square of this. Half coefficient of t is 6. 3 square is 9. We will add and subtract 9 in the denominator. T square plus 60 plus 9 plus 5 minus 9. dt, all the three terms are positive, so t plus 3 whole square. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4, write it as 2 square. Integral of dt upon t plus 3 square minus 2 square. 1 upon integral of x square minus a square is equals to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. 1 upon 4. Put the value of t. E power x. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 upon 4 log of ex plus 1 upon ex plus 5 plus c. Put ex as t. Derivative of ex is ex dx dt. Completing the square method, complete the square of this. Add and subtract half the coefficient of x square. X here is t. Coefficient of t is 6. So we will add and subtract 9 in the denominator. Complete the square. T plus 3 whole square minus 4. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Next is integral of sine of x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Put cos x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sine x dx is dt. Value of sine x dx is minus dt upon 1 plus t square. Apply the formula here. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a minus tan inverse cos of x plus c minus tan inverse cos of x plus c. Now the next one is question number 4. Integral of 2x cubed upon 4 plus x power 8. We can write x8 as x4 square because we have derivative of x4 in the numerator. 2x cube 4 plus x4 square. Now put x power 4 as t. Derivative of x4 is 4x cube dx dt. 2 is constant. X cube dx is dt upon 4. We can write 4 as 2 square. x4 is t. Again apply the formula. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. 1 upon 4 tan inverse x4 upon 2 plus c. 1 upon 4 tan inverse x4 upon 2 plus c.